What is up, my friends? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. If you guys happen to be new here, new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss a future upload. While you're at it, you may as well follow me on Instagram. I will leave that linked below as well. This video is a Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul, but it is strictly dresses. So if you guys have an event coming up, if you're going to a wedding, if you're going to a baby shower, honestly, anywhere, and you are planning on wearing a dress but don't have one yet, look no further than Fashion Nova. I got some really cute dresses that I am just in love with, so I can't wait to show you guys what I got. As always, I will leave all the dresses linked below in the description box, as well as my height, my weight, my measurements. All of that good stuff is always linked down below. By the way, I'm wearing this little two-piece set. I don't know if you guys can see, but the matching biker shorts. This is also from Fashion Nova. This was in one of my previous videos. I will leave that video linked below as well. You guys know the routine. All the good stuff is always linked below. I think that is all I had to say. So if you guys want to see all the really pretty dresses I got, then just keep watching. All right, the very first dress I got is a black tank top bodycon dress. And this is really long. It's actually a midi dress, which I love. I really like the fact that this is double lined, so it's thick, it like sucks you in. I love the tank top, I love the length, everything about it is perfect. I got mine in a 2X and I feel like it was a great size. I think I told you guys before, typically with Fashion Nova bodycon dresses, I size up to a 3X. I don't know why I didn't, honestly, with this one, but I thought it fit fine. Took a little bit of effort to get on, but once it was on, very comfortable. So this is the first dress. Next up is one of my favorite dresses of all time. I actually took this dress to Utah when Carlos and I went a couple weeks ago to get pictures of the salt flats in it, and it is beautiful. I don't think I posted a picture in this dress at the salt flats, but if you guys saw my Utah vlog, then you've seen this dress already. It is this like deep red, one shoulder, like one long sleeve. It's just so cute dress. It's kind of made of a slinky material, very stretchy, and there is a pretty high slit going up one side. This dress is just everything to me and more. Like, I cannot get over it. Absolutely love it. I picked mine up in a 2X and obsessed is an understatement. This next one I also got in a 2X and it's really pretty. I love the straps. They're just like little strings that you just tie yourself, which I had the hardest time doing. So you see one strap was like clear on my back in the try-on portion, and then this one, or the tie part, was up on my shoulder, but just ignore that. This is just a cowl neck, little slinky animal print wild dress. There are two areas of the dress at the bottom where you can pull that to like cinch it up. Okay, that did not stay at all. You can pull the cord and it cinches, kind of bunches up. So you can not cinch it, you can cinch both, you can cinch one. It's kind of like do whatever you want to do type of a dress. Really love it a lot. Also, I forgot to mention, you guys, I went to San Francisco and got a really bad sunburn, like just in the U shape right here on my chest. So when I try these dresses on, some of them I'm looking a little wild. This is one of them because of this little sunburn I have going on. Please ignore that. But other than that, not made of a stretchy material, and I just love this. All right, once again with the one shoulder, I have a one shoulder hot pink mini dress. It is so pretty. This is more of a bodycon, but it is double layered, and the top layer has kind of like a slinky, like ruched effect. It has a tie belt for around the waist, and it does have a shoulder pad in this one shoulder, which I didn't think I was gonna like, but it didn't bother me at all. I picked it up in a 2X and I thought it fit perfectly. Okay, two dresses out of this haul didn't really fit me, so I'm gonna jump to those right now just so I can at least show you. This first one is a tan color, has a lot of ruching going on both sides. I'm gonna insert a picture from the website, if it's still up on the website, of what the dress is supposed to look like on, but it was just too snug to even get on. So this is what it looks like. It just looks like a bunch of ruching, honestly, and it's like this tank top style with shoulder pads. I don't know, I thought it was cute online, but I got a 3X too, and it just wasn't fitting me at all, but I still thought it was cute. The other one that didn't really quite fit was this white one, and this one has that like elastic type of a material all around, probably like from under your bust down, so it's more like bodycon style down there, and then it's just like a white chiffon type material up top. The problem for me was this portion on the sleeve. It's also that stretchy material, but it just didn't stretch enough for me to even get onto my arms. So that was the issue there. I picked this up in a 2X, so maybe a 3X would have worked. I will also pop in a picture of what it's supposed to look like here. Then I got a brown bodycon dress, once again with the ruching. I feel like that's like in right now or something, because every place I look at online, like all the dresses have so much ruching going on, but I really love this color. This print in general is so pretty. It's just like a brown with black little specks. Love it. Has a zipper going up the back. This one I had to unzip and step into the dress and then put it on. It would not fit going over my head because my hips are too big. So picked this one up in a 2X, and I thought the fit was great. It was a little bit short for my liking, but if you guys like a shorter dress, then this could be perfect for you. Then I got this spaghetti strap black and white dress. These straps are adjustable, which is nice. And the entire dress is made of that stretchy, you know what material I'm talking about. I don't know what it's called, but it's just that stretchy, gonna like really fit your body and hug your curves type of material. It is like that all the way down and then has ruffles at the bottom. Super cute. Picked this up in a 3X and thought it fit me perfectly. So I'm starting to think polo shirts or things with collars are coming back into style, because I picked up this dress, and what's funny is I went to San Diego a couple weeks ago. Yeah, I think it was a couple weeks ago, and picked up a shirt that looks almost just like this. It's just a brown polo shirt. But this is a bodycon midi dress and has a slit going up the right hand side. Really pretty thick ribbed material, but this one has a little cutout in the back, which I mean, honestly I could do without that. I wish it was just the bodycon dress with no cutout, but still really cute. Love the color, love the material it's made of, and I picked this up in a 2X and thought it fit perfectly. All right, you guys, the last dress is a black chiffon type, once again, ruched dress. This is more of a bodycon dress, has some see-through mesh ruched sleeves, and has a zipper going up the back, which makes it easy to get on. This one I was actually able to just throw on over my head and pull it down. Worked out perfectly. I really like this one a lot. This one is more of a midi length as well, and I thought it looked really pretty on me. So love this one. Picked it up in a 3X. All right, you guys, that was everything I picked up from Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I hope that all of these hauls I do like somewhat help you guys either figure out what size you guys need or figure out what items on a particular website actually look like on a human body. So hopefully these are helpful for you guys. If you do enjoy these videos, please give me a thumbs up so I know. Don't forget to comment down below. Check that description box for all of the good things, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.